Hi guys, today we are in Sevilla, in South Spain. On the street 45 Celsius degree and clear sky overhead. My name is Tatiana Zappa. Let's go discover this city with me.
Sevilla is the capital and largest city of the autonomous community of Andalusia in Spain. Was founded as the Roman city of Ispalis. After the Islamic conquest in 711, known as Ishbilia, Sevilla became the center of the independent Sevilla typha after the collapse of the Cordoba Caliphate in the early 11th century. In 1238, the city was incorporated into the Crown of Castile. Sevilla is approximately 2,200 years old. We begin our walk in Sevilla from the famous Parque de Maria Luisa. It seems that the whole city on Saturday morning also went to the park for a walk. The park was opened in 1913 as the city park of the Infanta Maria Luisa Fernanda, and in 1983 it was declared a cultural heritage site in the historical garden category. The area of the park is huge, 340,000 square meters. There are historical buildings from different eras in the park. We met the Archaeological Museum. Opposite it is another museum, the Museum of Folk Art and Traditionals of Seville. These buildings with pond and monuments form the Plaza of América, which was built in the park in 1929, specifically for the Ibero-American exhibition. The park has grottos with waterfalls, ponds, and you can walk all day and each time find something new in this oasis of greenery in the heart of the city. After walking through the entire park, we finally noticed the most recognizable landmark of Seville, Plaza de España. The plaza was designed by the Sevillian architect Aníbal González, also for the 1929 Ibero-American exhibition. The area of the palace is 50,000 square meters. The entire building is covered with relief and colored decorative tiles. The architect's idea was to show the vastness of Spain and its 39 provinces. Therefore, an exhibition of decorative panels is arranged along the perimeter of the building. Each tile panel symbolizes each of the provinces of Spain. It is framed by benches of the sides and the map of the territory of the province. Nowadays, it has become a ritual for the Spanish guests of Seville to take pictures against the background of the space dedicated to their province. Leaving the park, we noticed the building of the University of Sevilla, which was built as a tobacco factory and only then became the home of the Faculty of Philology. Opposite is a 16th century Baroque palace, now occupied by the government of the city of Sevilla. This is the five-star hotel hidden behind a blank wall of stone and lush greenery. A night in hotel in August will cost you at least 400 euros. And this is a typical Sevillian taxi. Now we are in Puerta Jerez. The fountain was also built for the famous Ibero-American exhibition. The square smoothly turns into Avenida de la Constitucion. The street has been completely closed to vehicles since 2006 due to the fact that exhaust gases polluted and destroyed the facades of historical buildings. The cathedral of the city of Sevilla is called Catedral de Santa Maria de la Sede. It is the largest Gothic-style cathedral in the world from the 16th century. The area occupied by the building is 11,520 square meters. One of the facades of the cathedral overlooks the Plaza de la Virgen de los Reyes with fontaine Fuente Farola. And the building next to the cathedral is Palacio Arzobispal. The Archbishop Palace is the official residence of the titular Archbishop of Sevilla. And now we are going to Royal Alcázar. The royal palace Alcázar was built for the Christian King Peter of Castile. It was rebuilt by Castilian Christians on the site of the 11th century Muslim Alcázar of the Abbadites, once a residential fortress. This fortress was destroyed after the Christian conquest of Seville and was reconstructed into a palace. The palace is an outstanding example of Mudéjar architecture in the Iberian Peninsula. During the reconstruction, elements in the Gothic, Renaissance and Romanesque style have been already added. You will walk through all the rooms of the palace and of course you will notice the difference in style. Due to the high temperatures on summer days, most of the rooms have patios to create shade and windows look out there. It is surprising that despite its age, the Muslim relief on the walls and the covered wards of the ceilings are so well preserved. We even got lost in the royal gardens of the Alcázar. They are so huge. The entire area of the gardens is protected by an 80-meter stone wall, so that ordinary people cannot get inside without buying a ticket. We leave the royal palace on the Patio de Banderas square, and we go again to the central streets of the city. Some of them are very narrow, less than 2 meters, and it is very interesting to watch how the car squeezes through this space. This is the Metropole Parasol, another architectural masterpiece of Sevilla. Also officially known to the common people since its opening as Setas de Sevilla, mushrooms of Seville. Its structure in the form of wooden gazebo, located in the central square of Plaza de la Encarnacion. This timber structure was designed by German architect Jürgen Meyer, and the project was completed in April 2011. The metropolis consists of 12 levels. A museum was made on the underground floor. Roman and Moorish remains were discovered during the construction. Street level is the market. The first roof level is a public area for various events. The second roof level houses a restaurant and observation deck. My walk in Sevilla is over. Always yours, Tatiana, Zappa.